Well, okay, I thought I'd give you guys an up-close and personal look at your home today. So it looks like we're making lots of headway on lot 20 here. So coming on in, guys are working on the interior trim today. You see the garage is pretty much done. Take a look at the side in there again. All looks good. Let's go in the house here. Okay, so we've got lots of stuff going on in here. Drywall's being finished, the interior finishes is being done. Walls are painted. Trim is on the windows. This is the bedroom at the front here. Bathroom. Vanity there. Coming on in, here is the flex room. Doors are on, of course. We'll get upstairs here in a little bit, but they're putting on the handrails, and like I said, we've got the interior finishing stage going on pretty rapidly here. Fireplace. Cabinetry in, waiting for countertops. Let's go on laundry room there. Let's go around to the owner's suite here. Closet. Oops, quick turn there. Bathroom, the owner's suite here. And the closet. Again, waiting for granite to come in. Okay, we got another, that's the potty there. And that should be oh, here's my linen closet over here. Okay, back up. Let's take a look out. Back out to the family room. I hope I'm not turning too fast. I should slow it down. Windows over there. Let's go on the back deck here. Grading's being done there. Of course, you see down there, they've got sod on the back of that house there, and all this area will get sod up here, apparently. Let's look down the side here. Okay. And headed back in the house. Okay. Fridge area there, pantry over here. Let's just take a quick open up the pantry door. Of course, the shelving has to go in. And let's take a quick look upstairs. Heading up the stairs. Bathroom there. This is the storage closet here. And this third bedroom. View out the third bedroom window. Quick turn around here. Closet. Okay, and then that's, of course, the attic access closet. Let's just take a look to see what we have there. But, of course, that's just a access door. We'll go back out here to the area over the garage. Okay, nice. Very nice. Heating and air, HVAC. You'll have your water heater on this side. And then lots of storage. Okay. Out the window. And back out. Close this door. Back down the stairs. We'll go through the garage. Out the garage. And there you have it. A complete tour of your home.